Now, it doesn't happen that often that I buy new gear, because I rather buy one unit like once a year or 2 times a year and then, you know, buy the best. Then I want to buy like 10 units and have poor build quality and also not the most optimal sound. Now, as you guys know, I visited the Illusia factory a few weeks ago. And as you can see in that video, I was pretty much impressed by the sound quality of their units and more particularly the character. So I went ahead and just bought one. So yeah, this is not sponsored. I literally just bought an Illusia character because I was so impressed. So let's open up that box and take a look at it. Now, before I went to Illusia, I knew the company and the products they were making, but not in detail. And since I have visited them, and I think you can see that in that video as well, I'm now way more confident in their mission and in what they're trying to make. Because, let's be honest, they don't advertise a lot. So they've always been a bit underground, if I can say it like that, without trying to sound mean. While they actually, like they really take care of how they build things, really take care of their quality control. So apart from the fact that this is a good sounding unit, or as far as I heard it back there, it's also a unit that will probably outlast me. So yeah, this is their box. That's actually something that I left out of the video, their boxing procedure. But this is my unboxing procedure. So we have the power cord, we have this stuff, the character, yes, ha 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 ha. All right, open it up, open it up. Ta-da! Illusia character. Actually, doesn't weigh a lot. It's actually very lightweight. I was actually expecting it to weigh more. It's something that I didn't test in the factory. I always say if it doesn't weigh anything, it can't be good. But it's really lightweight. All right. Oh. Yeah. I said that in the video as well. Like how the controls feel. It's ridiculous. I cannot say anything else. Like, not only how the knobs feel, but also the potentiometer that is behind it. It's really incredible. Yeah, that was also one of the reasons that made me buy it. Like, sometimes you just feel, if you turn a knob, you just feel like, oh wait, this is quality. Now, enough talking about that. Let's put this thing over here. Follow, watch, look, listen, of course. And a booklet. Boekje. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, recall sheets. Oh, that's cool. So this unit comes with recall sheets. I actually just take a picture of the unit, but cool. I'm going to hook it up. Let's try it out. So first of all, it's definitely a unit that you want to learn to use. Now what I'm going to demo right now is just a stereo file, but I think it will start to show the capabilities of this unit. And of course I will show it better in a separated review video, if you guys want to see that, of course. Now, what we have over here is, we've got 4 buttons. We've got 4 more on this side, on that side, over there. They are the same, so for left and right. But if I click the stereo link button over here, we get a little pop. Wow. And then I can control both channels with one side. So that's also why the camera is focused on this side. We've got drive, color, gain, and mix. So with drive, you decide the amount of drive. With color, you decide the color of the drive. With gain, this gain is inserted, as far as I could hear, behind the drive and color. So this is more or less a makeup gain. And a mix, where you can make it wetter and drier. And we also have a fat shred, a button, and a turbo boost, which will only work with the fat shred turned on. It's really a unit to have fun with, let's be honest. So here's how it sounds. And that's it for this unboxing. I'm going to use this unit a lot the next few weeks and yeah, actually probably the rest of my life. But I will update you guys in a few weeks with a proper review video on all the tips and tricks that I found with it and like all the sounds and stuff and all that kind of stuff. And if you really want to see it, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and have ring the bell, the notification thing, the bloop, that thing, the annoying notifications. Make sure that you have the annoying notifications turned on. Now, if you want to see it earlier and more and better and whatever, go to Patreon over here and pledge a bit to my Patreon campaign. And in return for that, you get early access to videos, answers to questions, you can run a track to my tape machine. A lot of stuff, it's all listed on there. For one of my past videos, I will link one over here. It's a random one, I don't know which one. So take a look at that. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Keep pushing and bye bye.